$1,000. That's what I paid for this Corolla. But there's a big question. The seller said the engine works, but I'm not sure. And when the mechanic checked the oil situation, he couldn't believe what he saw. Is this why I got it so cheap? The Toyota Corolla is the best-selling car in history. Known for reliability, a car that simply doesn't die. And this one showed up at auction for a price nobody could believe. A 2010 Corolla in good condition is worth between $6,000 and $7,000. I paid $1,000. The seller said the engine works. The difference between those two values? An engine that might have a serious hidden problem. Before any diagnosis, this car needs a complete cleaning. Now we find out the condition of the paint. Will we need to repaint the whole car? Or is there good paint hiding under this mess? As the dirt comes off, the color starts showing. The dirt is gone, but the paint looks rough. If we can't fix it with polishing, we'll have to spend money on paint. Now the engine! This is an engine with a durability reputation that few in the world can match. The Corolla is famous for exactly this, the engine that won't die. But this one sat for a long time. And what happened to this engine after years of sitting is exactly what we're about to find out. After complete detailing, this interior looks like the Corolla everybody wants again. Clean, smelling like new, every detail in place. Now there's just one thing left, the moment of truth. Everything installed, engine clean inside, new fluids, new coils, new plugs. The mechanic turned the key. The engine Toyota built to last, that sat with sludge inside that everyone bet wouldn't come back, is running again. Everyone says Corollas are indestructible. Now I know it's true. The paint on this Corolla was beaten up. I thought it would need repainting. But after polishing, what was hidden finally showed up. This Corolla is looking like new. Now it's time to see the final result and do the math. Time to see the transformation of our auction Corolla. The same car that arrived here with sludge in the engine, grimy, that nobody wanted to touch. Now look at it! Paint shining, engine running, interior spotless, wheels gleaming. I invested another $550 in parts, mechanic and detailing. Total invested $1,550. This Corolla running and in this condition is worth between $6,000 and $7,000. An estimated profit of over $5,000. From $1,000 to $6,000. No bodywork, no paint. Just knowledge, the right parts, and work. This is what auctions can do for anyone who knows how to spot the opportunities. Prices may vary depending on your region. If you 2 p.m. Thanks for watching.